In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to yourself on Zelle. If you've ever wanted to move money quickly between your own bank accounts, Zelle can make it fast and convenient. Here's how to do it clearly and safely. Before we begin, remember that Zelle works through many US banks and credit unions, and each Zelle profile needs its own unique US mobile number or email. That uniqueness is what allows you to send funds from one of your accounts to the other. First, enroll two separate bank accounts in Zelle using different US mobile numbers or email addresses. Each account should have its own contact information, so Zelle recognizes them as distinct profiles. If you try to use the same email or number on both, the system won't know where to route your transfer. Most banks let you enroll right inside their apps by verifying your contact details with a one-time code. Take a moment to confirm that each account shows as active in Zelle before moving on. Next, open your bank's mobile app and navigate to the Send Money with Zelle section. Depending on your bank, this might be listed under Payments, Transfers, or Move Money. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the option to choose a recipient and enter an amount. Now, enter your second email address or phone number, the one linked to your other bank account, as the recipient. This is how Zelle knows to send the money to you just at your other bank. Double check that you're selecting the correct contact and consider adding a simple nickname like My Other Account in your contacts to avoid confusion later. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Keep your bank's Zelle limits in mind since they can vary by institution and account type. If you're doing this for the first time, starting with a small amount is a smart way to confirm everything's set up correctly. You can also use the memo field to note why you're moving the money, which can help with budgeting or record keeping. Finally, review the details and confirm the transfer. Make sure the recipient contact is the one linked to your other account, the amount is correct, and your funding account is the one you intend to use. After you confirm, Zelle typically delivers the money instantly or within minutes. Some transfers may take a bit longer, depending on bank processing, but most are near real time. That's it. With those simple actions, you can quickly shift funds between your own accounts using Zelle without waiting days for a traditional transfer.